Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Ronice.Chantal and welcome back y'all. Today we are diving into an essential topic for small business owners: packaging and shipping orders effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your shipping process, I can help you with that. All right, so let's get right on into it. All right y'all, so first things first, gather all the supplies you'll need. For instance, starting off, find any box that you need for your products, bubble wrap, packaging tape, and any branding materials like stickers or thank you notes. Like I have here, I got these thank you stickers from Amazon. You can get a bunch, I think I got like 500 stickers in here. Thank you cards I also got from Amazon. So I like to put that in my packaging for my customers. And the last thing is business cards. I got these made off of Amazon, but I have a video coming soon on how you can make your own business cards. So stay tuned for that. Having everything out at arm's reach will save you time and prevent delays. Choosing the right box size is crucial, y'all. It should be just big enough to fit your products, along with some protective padding, like some bubble wrap, or I got also some tissue paper here. Using oversized box can increase shipping costs and potential damage. Remember, efficient packaging also helps reduce your environmental footprint. Use bubble wrap, tissue paper, or packaging peanuts or shredded paper, whatever you have, to create a cushion around your items. This is crucial, y'all. You do not want to ship out a tumbler, for instance, and it's cracked by the time it gets to your customer, and she's gonna have to return it. So protect it well. This helps prevent them from shifting during transit and minimizes the risk of breakage. Alright y'all, so this next step is brought to you by Offnova Thermal Label Printer. So let's check it out. Offnova's Thermal Label Printer is compatible with all major e-commerce and shipping platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, UPS, USPS, and more. You can print directly from your phone. All you have to do is install an app, pair it to your Bluetooth device, and it prints via smartphones, including iOS and Android devices. This will help reduce cable clutter in your home or work area. Hey you guys, so like I showed you, you can print right from your phone. It comes with the thermal label printer and a cord to hook up to your laptop, and you have to download a software, and yeah, you'd be ready to print ASAP. And then it comes with this thermal holder. This paper I got from Amazon, but they give you a few sheets to start with. And this is my setup of my printing station. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I highly recommend this thermal printer, you guys. Thank you Offnova for sending me this to review. And so far, I have no complaints. I love it. Also, you guys, if you're looking for affordable shipping products, check out Offnova's website. It will be linked down below. But yeah, Offnova, thank you. All right, now the sixth step is branding. So it's important to want to add that special touch to your items that are going to your customer. I like to add not custom, but I like to add, like I showed you earlier, stickers, thank you cards, business cards with all my socials, so they can get in touch with me in case anything goes wrong or breaks or anything like that. Creates a memorable experience for your customers and make them want to shop with you again. I highly suggest you try to go that extra mile, add your branding on everything. Whether it's not your brand, it's just a simple thank you sticker. They love it. Next step is weighing and measuring your box package to be shipped out. And this ensures that you're being charged correctly for the weight of what you're shipping to the customer. So for instance, here I have my scale that I got off of Amazon. Use this for every everything I ship out so I can accurately get charged correctly. Because if you mess up, they'll either send you a refund or charge you of what you messed up on. So it's really no biggie. I just like to be precise as possible so I don't get those emails going back and forth from the USPS. Get you a scale if you can. And also y'all, this is a regular food scale. It does not need to be like, you know, anything fancy, so highly recommend. Next step is choosing your carrier. Selecting the right shipping carrier is essential. If you ship constantly, you can compare rates from like, you know, different carriers and see what works for you. Typically, you know, the top two is either USPS or UPS. Those two are pretty good with shipping out products for, you know, small businesses. So, but you can check into FedEx, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you choose your carrier, make sure the rates are perfect for you. If you have an Etsy, for instance, you get discounts on shipping with USPS. So yeah, just choose what works for you, but everyone's different. So next up is tracking and communication. Once you get your package taped up, the shipping labels on it, it's weighed out. You want to, and once you drop it off at the post office, share the tracking information with your customer. I like to always send the tracking number, whether they want it or not. I share with them just so they know that their product is coming. So, and that gains customer service and trust for them to return that, you know, back to you to shop. Good communication is just an extra kiss for exceptional customer service. After a few packages, take some time to evaluate your shipping process. Look at things where you can improve on, where you can improve the customer experience or improve your shipping or packaging experience. Just take some notes down, try to improve on that. It's gonna take a few shipments to get what you like for your brand. Continuously optimize and keep checking your shipping strategy. It will save you time and money. All right, y'all, so there you have it, a guide to shipping and packaging your orders for your small business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel for more business tips. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to hit you right back. I try to generally go through all my comments, so yeah, just be patient with me. I'll get to you. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.